Dad. Hey, sweetie. What do we have to do today? Can you just feed the pigs and just do the maybe really? Just feed the cows?
Are you serious?
Okay, Dad, that's good.
At least just tell us.
Should I give them carrots or lettuce?
Lettuce.
Give them carrots. Can you just be quiet? You're not even the favorite. Why are you so rude? Because I'm his daughter, not you. But his mom and your dad met. Yeah, I know, but just leave me alone. Oh, okay. So, carrots or lettuce? Just get them both. Okay, time to eat, guys. I'll just be doing some stuff in the back. Okay.
What's up, Cindy?
Yum. Is that good? Yeah. Okay. What the heck, guys? This is a big poop. Ay, ay, ay. We're just gonna throw it away. There we go, all better. But there's a coffee down there. Okay, I guess I'll feed the pig. Oh my gosh, freaking ugly people. They're so gross. We gotta feed the lambs too. I hate lambs. Blah, blah, blah. Lambs sucky. You can feed yourself. I'm not gonna feed you because you're yellow. Why are you so mean to them? Because I can. Whatever. Bye, persons. I hate this girl. Oh, I'm sorry. Stay tuned for part 2.